We have some pretty big news right now breaking in the trade war. The Chinese government and the US are sitting down to discuss what that looks like and, more importantly, how that can benefit both countries. But guess what? It's really going to support you if you're holding Bitcoin or other cryptos. We'll break down exactly what's going on so that you guys are absolutely up to date. So smash that like button to a brand new all-time high, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Every day we bring you the latest and greatest in crypto content. With that being said, let's get into the video. So X has lit up, as well as many of the news sources talking all about this. China confirming plans to begin trade negotiations with the United States. Now, some of you may say, hold on a minute, 2bit, you were talking about this not only just last week, and I would say you were absolutely right. Welcome to the channel and thank you for subscribing. Now, this has been something I've been talking about for a while. The fact of the matter is, the Chinese had to come to the party. This is a very calculated play by Trump, in my opinion. We actually were looking at this on my live stream. The fact that the domestic output of China is down. The reality is they have surplus that they need to shift, and the US know this. And this is very, very good news. What does it mean? Well, it meant that Bitcoin is also on the move. In fact, we broke 97,000 last night and continued on the uptrend. So watch this space. This is a developing story, and one of which we are very, very well invested in. They're going to be addressing tariffs, economic strategies, potential impacts on the markets. I'm sure there'll be some debate over the whole Pakistan and India thing that's currently rising in tensions, and global trade markets will ultimately await for this decision. How is this going to look? And more importantly, how is it going to affect the rest of the globe? This is exactly what I think Trump expected to happen, and more importantly, it's exactly what we thought would happen with the markets. 2 very solid days of inflows from institutional money. We know that big banks, big institutions, they want to get in. The meeting could potentially ease tensions and result in an adjustment to existing tariff policies, exactly what we've seen with India, exactly what we've seen with the UK, and equally what we've seen with Europe as well. So this on the day that the Fed gives its interest rates. I mean, who would have thought it? Could we even see a Fed rate decision that, well, fundamentally cuts rates? That'd be wild as trading with this platform. Prodigy Fi. Hedge like a prodigy, invest like a prodigy, and earn like a prodigy. Start earning attractive real yields with Prodigy Fi's dual investment vaults today. Now, Prodigy Fi is backed by many investors and partners, namely Cointelegraph, Chainlink, Panomi, Republic, and many, many more. It's also secured by Halborn. So how does it work? Choose a vault from the list of ready-made vaults with different strategies and terms. Invest your chosen vault and lock it into fixed yields, and your funds remain in the vault until expiration. If the market reaches the target strike price after expiration, you buy low or you sell high while securing your yield. And finally, earn at expiration, receive a payout based on the vault's terms. Regardless of market movements, your return is secured by the fixed yield, offering a straightforward way to achieve high returns. Now, don't forget, there is an extensive list of vaults you can get involved with on the buy low or the sell high narrative. Simply click and then subscribe with your USDC or Ethereum. Your APY, linked price, and your expiration date are easy for you to see. And when you're ready to get your returns, it's as easy as clicking withdraw, seeing how much you've got, and clicking withdraw again and confirming that transaction and taking your yield, again, ready for the next transaction. So if you're looking to boost your versatile DeFi yield earnings, check out Prodigy Fi in the description and head on over and grab yourself a brand new vault and start earning that yield right now. Now, let's get back to the video. So if you ask me, we're in a very good place right now, and you can walk through the list here on the weekly chart of a number of cryptocurrencies. And don't forget, check out Prodigy Fi if you're looking to grab hold of some very interesting trade mechanics and, more importantly, using their platform. It's super easy, super bullish. Check out the link in the description down below. But look at this, altcoin market starting to run. We are heading back to a $3 trillion market cap, and this, again, the day of which we get rate decisions. I was going to say rate cuts then, but rate decisions. More importantly, if you take Bitcoin out of the market, the altcoins are moving as well. So this won't be long until we start to see this play out. You only have to double down on the fact gold is now reducing. I think a lot of people kind of going that tells us market sentiment is open to a little bit more risk, which I think is important. The S&P 500 out of trade looking decent as well. So watch out. It's turned into a pretty good week. We called it on the channel. I'm super bullish and super happy for you guys. I'm sure you guys are printing. But if you're not, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come and join our live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern every single day. We break down the markets, the news, and do, like I said, check out Prodigy Fi. Link in the description if you're interested in that play. As always, thanks so much. We'll bring you the latest on this China as it develops. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.